Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of walking around this beautiful Volkswagen camper van. Now it's a very rare van. It's made by Autosleepers. It's an Autosleeper Trooper based on a Volkswagen. I'm going to walk you around showing you all its features and attributes. So starting from the front, we can see obviously it's finished in metallic blue. Features alloy wheels. A really fantastic colour that. So we've got body colour coded mirrors as well as bumpers. Got a lovely set of side steps with plates put into them as well, so you can get in and out of the vehicle easily without slipping. Now, being an Autosleeper that manufacture a lot of motorhomes, very renowned brand, we've got everything you'd see on a motorhome but on a smaller Volkswagen, which we haven't seen before ever. So we've got onboard gas, we've got a 12-volt hookup there as well, all the ventage that is required. Got rear parking sensors. We also have a rear tow bar with single electrics. Very good if we need to add a bike rack or a small trailer. There's the Trooper branding down the side. So first thing we see when we jump in is very traditional in its styling. For me, it reminds me very much of a boat, of classiness, with the stainless steel legs and everything. It's extremely well put together. So when we stand up in here, the first thing we'll see when we lift this one here, we've got twin gas hob burner. Even with little things like here, we've got our guard as well for protecting our interior when we're cooking. We have water as well for our sink, which I must say is also heated water as well, so we can have hot water as well. Again, you don't see this on any other Volkswagen of this size. And we've got a food preparation area here as well. We also got our space heater on board, which runs off of the diesel. Obviously on board leisure battery. We've got two 40 plug socket there as well as a 12 volt. And also we have aerial there for our TV. And here we've got our fridge. Fantastically nice and clean. Real nice large size as well. This can also run off of gas as well as our hookup. Or leisure battery, so we've got three options on that one. We've got a nice seating area here with two 3x3 seat belts. The roof itself is in absolutely fantastic condition. We also got zip blinds here as well. Up the top here we've got our carbon monoxide smoke alarm as well. Twin captain seats to the front. So what we're going to do now is get the bed set up downstairs so we can see what it's like for sleeping. We'll just take another look around the van while that's happening. Just share you today our beautiful view here at Rayland Car Sales. We are spoilt, absolutely stunning view here of South Somerset. Glorious day it is today as well. You can really see that colour popping alive there in the sun. Also, you may have noticed as well on the screen there, this vehicle comes with a 12-month free breakdown cover. As at Raylands, we're proud to say we are an AA dealer promise dealer. So that comes completely free of charge. We'll show you to the rear here. We've got some cabinets here as well, which you can see all of our gas taps in there as well. All properly done. You can tell that these people make motorhomes all the time. Very high standard indeed. So there we have it. Bed is set up downstairs. All set up and out. Blinds are down as well. We also have got various LED lighting within the van as well. Nice leather effect to the headlining as well. Really nice comfy bed. I have had a little lie on it myself to see what it's like. Really nice and comfy. So last job, we'll just show you in the front of the cab. Just move the chair around. So you can see the van has only covered, bear me a second because of the sun, 50,975 miles. That's 50,975. So very low mileage for 2011. We also have on board, we've got a radio with CD. Just turn that on there just to show you a minute. We also have air conditioning, all important. We also have auto gearbox, DSG, drives absolutely superb. We also have cruise control as well. And another feature we have on board as well, we have electric door, which if I just look round and push the button, we can close the door. And open it as well. We can do this from the outside of the van as well. Really nice feature. Drives absolutely superb as I mentioned. We also have electric windows to the front here with electric folding heated mirrors. We've also got, bear me a second, we also have gauges here for our onboard gas tank. Remote locking. So there we have it. Fantastic Volkswagen conversion by Autosleepers. This Trooper really is an absolutely fantastic looking van with all the attributes of a larger motorhome. If you'd like to purchase, feel free, give us a call, 01460 312923. That's 01460 312923. View by appointment at all times. And for further details, view railandcarsales.co.uk. Thanks for watching.